What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today it is like 65 degrees out, guys. I got the sunroof open. Oh, feels so damn good. I am on my way now to go get some oil and an oil filter. Today we're gonna be changing the oil on the Prelude, and then later on I have to go over to my storage unit to pick up my old H&R springs off the F30, and I need to pull them off the struts because I don't have any use for them anymore and they need to be sold. So I would say I would sell it over YouTube and let you guys know, but I have a few local people that are interested in them already, so I might just let them get first dibs. So sorry, but I'm gonna go and get some gas right now, and then we will go to the auto parts store. So I'll see you then. Let's go get some parts. One of these guys. 5W30. Got it. Got what we need. Got my filter, got my oil and stuff. Now we're just gonna go head home and get started on this. It shouldn't be too bad, and it's freaking beautiful out today. Oh, kind of funny. In order to get my sunroof to open, I have to like peel back my dash so I can put pressure on the back of the plastic there, and then now she'll go. Yay. I'm back home now, and I've got all my stuff here right next to this beautiful F30. I've never actually jacked this car up before, so I know you want to put the jack stands basically right here, but I'm not confident on where the front jacking point is on this car. It's really all plastic, and I think this is the jacking point because there's some abrasion on here, and I'm assuming that's from people jacking the car up. I'm actually just waiting on a buddy to confirm that before I go and ruin my Prelude by jacking it up incorrectly. So now we got the car jacked up. I've got it on a 3-point system, so I've left the jack there. I've got this jack right here, not going anywhere, and same on this side, not going anywhere. So that's pretty safe. Always make sure that you have safe jacking points because you don't want to end up killing yourself or hurting yourself underneath your car. So I'm using this 3-point system. Also gonna go get my wheel chocks for the back wheels just in case, you know, prevent rolling, but we're on a pretty flat level, and then we should be good to get going on the oil change. I had to change up real quick because it's actually getting a little hot out here. And if you guys see that right there, Elevated actually started as my auto detailing company last year. And long story short, I realized cleaning up people's dirty, shitty cars is not the life for me, man. So now I'm YouTubing and getting some car mods done for you guys. So let's jump right back into this oil change. I think we're ready. I just had to let the engine cool down so I didn't burn the shit out of my hands. Got the oil pan lined up, so all that's left to do is unscrew the bolt, let it drain, then we will top it off, put on the new filter, and be good.
Thank goodness you got a good day to work on.
Oh, I know, right? Broke it loose. I'm gonna grab some gloves. Ugh, that's pretty black, so definitely time. This is actually my first time using one of these oil storage things here, and I don't know if I like it all that much. It's kind of sketchy. So that's pretty much done draining. You can see it's still dripping out a little bit. Now would be a good time to take your new oil. What we'll do is just pour a splash up at the top and let it kind of just flow through and pull any extra old oil out that we can, you know, try and get out. So just a splash. Now I gotta go ahead and try and get the old filter out, put the new filter in, and then we'll go ahead and pour the new oil in. Old filter's out. Time for the new one. Hopefully this fits, but we should be good. Those don't look the same. Hopefully it fits. I guess we'll find out. Got the new filter in. That was pretty easy. I just hand tighten it because the wrench that I have, it didn't really give me enough room to actually use it, so it's kind of in an obscure spot on the Prelude apparently. The last one was hand tightened. I figure this one will be hand tightened. Should be in good shape. Also cool, K&N gives you a little mileage and date stickers, so if you want, you can toss that up on your windshield so you know when the last time you did your oil change was. oil change is pretty much done. I guess all that's left is to start it. See if everything runs right. Wish me luck, man, because I haven't done an oil change in a long time. I haven't done one myself on the F30 yet. If we seize the engine, that's the end of that. Anyways, you want to start up the car, put it to the level that it needs to be, start the car, let it run for a minute, and then check it again to make sure that you're still at the correct level, because once the oil starts to cycle through the engine, you may find that you need to top off a little more. So let's find out. Good to go, man. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, check it again, make sure we're all good, and that's gonna wrap up the oil change. So I gotta go over to the storage unit, pick up my F30 springs, and get them off the struts. I just have to take a minute. Like, it is unbelievably nice outside. It is 62 degrees. And if you guys have been watching my videos, I showed you the other day, it was a whopping 12 degrees. So this is, actually, I don't even understand it. It's truly amazing. Thank you, car gods, for giving me some sunshine. Check out this WRX, huh? Pretty sick. I love driving the car, any car really, the F30, like, and now I know the Prelude as well. After an oil change, it drives so nice, and like, I don't know, I love it, man. It's still slow, but it's fun. I can't see shit. My windshield washers don't work. So sketch. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get some lights in the ditch. VMRs are looking good, nice and safe for the winter. Can't wait to put you back on. Guess where my springs are? Nope. 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 All the way on the bottom, man. So I gotta grab the steamer and those springs all the way on the bottom.
A few moments later.
I got everything I need here, but now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna get this stuff back to the car. So it should be interesting. Oh no! Man down! Something just broke. What is that? My little like cord tab thing that goes down here is just ripped off, man. No more. Oh well, everything is loaded up. Now, I don't know, go drop that off and see where the day takes us. I'm just waiting for Ryan at his house. Told me he was here and needed the steamer, so like a good friend, I went and got it for him and delivered it, and he's not home. So if he's busy for the rest of the day and we can't really do much, I guess that'll kind of wrap it up. Otherwise, if we end up doing something, I'll take you guys along and we'll see where the day takes us. Just waiting on Ryan. All right, let's try this. Ryan said he was gonna be like 10 minutes. It's been like 30. I'm just gonna grab this guy here and we'll bring it over here. Sick mattresses, bro. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, back home now. That is pretty much gonna wrap up the video for today. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little something. If you guys haven't checked out my store yet, make sure you go head over to www.elevatedmediamerch.com, and I have hoodies, t-shirts, stickers, all sorts of good stuff. Got some sweet hair going on. If you feel like supporting the channel, that is definitely the best way to do it, because all the proceeds that I earn through that website basically pay for new mods, which in return is more content for you guys. The faster we grow, the faster we mod, and I'm excited. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't hit that button, make sure you do so. It would mean the world to me. As always, like, comment down below if you have any suggestions, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time, right? Have a good one, guys. Peace.